So my birthday was yesterday and I got some awesome stuff, but this is like the next day. My birthday was yesterday, July 20th, but I got this. My father came and gave me this. It's one of the new LOLs in Miss Glam. So I will be unboxing her. Let me get my scissors and cut that. Oh, did you see that? It opened a little bit. There we go. Let's see what she looks like. Whoa, that is a lot of stuff for the first piece. Now let's see what our doll looks like. I'm really excited for that part. Oh, dude, that just totally shot confetti everywhere. Look at the little presents with springs in them. Okay, so ooh, she is very, very pretty. Here she is, but let's get her all out. I hate when they put the zip tie things on her hair. Don't need to do that. Almost got it. Yes, first one off. Come on, second one. Got it. Okay, so I finally got it. Ugh, come on, really? Now they put rubber bands on her. It's like I don't want kids to get these things off. There we go. Ooh, her nails are all silver and her hair is so pretty. Now look at her. This is like her under outfit, I think. I think she has more outfits. So here's the blind bag that was next to her, and oh, I want this purse. Wait, does it really open? Dude, it really opens. Like there's little stuff inside. That's so cute. Her phone, nail polish. Shh, it's a surprise party invitation. So I'm completely going gaga over this purse. Now let's see this. Ooh, there's Queen Bee, Sweet Spicy Babe. There's a bunch of little LOLs that I know inside. Ooh, hashtag party photo. You're invited. Celebrating Mrs. Glam, maybe Sweet 16 birthday party or something. I like to dub LOLs at least 15 or Sweet 16 and sometimes 17 if I really value them. And I value all my LOLs, but I still like to dub them 15 sometimes, okay? Like this, pull the hanger, come on, open up. It's one of those hard ones. Let's open it this way. Ooh, so she has a little tank top right here, and then she has a little jacket. Let's see. Ooh, this one's big. This one's big. This one's so big. I think this is the frilly skirt that she had. Oh yeah, frilly skirt. I'm going to gaga over this. Okay, so where are the other unboxings? Shoebox. It's like opening real presents. Ooh, she is a totally glam punk princess with these high-heeled Converse sneaker boots. So those are so cute. Ugh. Let's open up the big tub, which usually has accessories like a bow where you can attach that to her hair. Oh, these sunglasses are so cool. Sometimes, if you're lucky, they make sunglasses see-through. So let me see. Ooh, I can see through them. That's so cool. You really gotta focus your eye attention on those little things. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Are these gauntlets? Dude, she has gauntlets. She's a total punk princess. Totally a punk princess. Ooh, her little sister is Miss Baby. I love what it says that on her. And I love how the sash is right there. So she has some hair clips. This one says Glam on it. And the next one says queen. Okay, that's so cute. Yeah, this is just so cute. Then she has earrings. Her earrings say OMG, LOL. That's so cute. And she has another pin that says XOXO, which means hugs and kisses. And yas, ooh, I love that saying. Yas is just a word I can live by. And then she's got her diamond like bracelet bangle type thingy. I don't know. Then she has another clip that says happy. Oh my god. Look, her whole world is you can never have too many clips. Ooh, and she's wearing one right now. That one says party. Okay, so let's get this glam girl all dressed. Like, she is just so pretty. I'm going gaga over this hair. Oh, I want, like, everything about her. Alright, gauntlets. Oh, yeah. These gauntlets are so hard to put on. Have you put on gauntlets before?